Super Bowl Sunday, February 11th. Looking at the Astro Excel chart for the week ahead. We start out the week Sunday evening, 1800 Eastern Time, with a little downward push on the green line. We're in the plus territory all week long. We're sideways pretty much through Monday in the +5 area. And then we get a pretty good push up from the end of the session Monday through Tuesday, with a peak at the end of the session at about 5 p.m., 1700 hours. And then we're floating up in the high teens most of the week, pretty much sideways the rest of the week until we dip down, start to dip down into Friday for that complete session. But the planetary pressure is going to be to the upside, and it's fairly strong all week since we're hanging above the +15 area. We're bouncing between 15 and 20 here on the positive side, so that should be relatively bullish once we get beyond Monday's day session. On the blue line, you always want to watch where the blue line is in sync with the green line. So like right here from before midnight till 6 a.m., both lines are in sync. It's probably the most bullish part of the chart. And as we move into Friday, the bearish part of the chart with the green line down and then the blue line down until about 11:30 is the most bearish part of this chart. It looks like we've got some synchronicity here from in the evening around 2000 hours, where the blue line converges with the green line to the upside until about 3 a.m. Peaks, we're going to have a peak Monday at 1500, peak Tuesday here at 6 a.m. We get down in the -10 line here, out of session at 1900. On Wednesday we have a peak down here right at noon, a peak low. Looks like 6 a.m. on Thursday there. Another little double bottom at noon. And then we've got this big spike high in the evening at 2000. Pushing a low here at about 1100 on Friday. And then this last peak is at the end of session, so that'll be out of play. Anyhow, there's your look at the blue and green line Astro Excel for the week of February 11th.